Hi there, this is Yael, and we are back with menu items. And just a note before we continue is that the menu system in Joomla is a bit complicated, and it's going to take several steps to fully get your head around it, and you're going to need to watch some other screencasts. So just persevere, and even if this isn't making sense yet, it will in the end. So we're going to go back to a new menu item, and I want to show you just briefly. We talked about the different types of menu items under articles, specifically the article layout and the blog layout. So I just wanted to show you in the front end so you can see exactly what we're talking about here. This is a Joomla page content item that has been linked as a article layout, and as you see, it's just one complete article. There is no links to read more or anything else. It's just a complete article. So that is your article layout option, okay? And then I'm going to come back over here, and the news is the category blog layout. And so you see that here we have several different articles actually shown here. None of these have, well, this one has a read more, so if you want to read the entire article, you click here and you can read more. So what this is doing is this is drawing all of the articles from this Joomla website that's been placed in a certain category. It's drawing like say the first 5 of those and showing on this page. So when you create a link using the blog option, it's going to look similar to this. So let's just go back over here quickly, and I want to show you in the blog layout you have some different options that you don't have in the article layout because of the differences in how the page is laid out. Some of it's the same, the title, the alias, you know, which menu it's going to be in, and if it's a top menu item or if you want to add it, you know, as a sub-menu item. So a lot of this is just the same, but the difference here is if you see here, I've got to select a category. When I created a link to an article, I selected an individual article. But when I'm creating a link to a blog category, I need to select the category, and it's going to draw all the content items from that category. So you're going to need to select a category. These are options that you can use or not use, and again, you can, just read that in the Joomla backend what that does. It's pretty obvious, but this is what I wanted to show you. This is how you format this page. This page is formatted with one lead option. Let's go back over here. One leading, it's a default layout. 4 intros. So you're going to have, it's going to draw 4 articles from the category that you select. And you can change this to 1 or 2 columns. And again, if you hold your items over, this is all very explanatory. So this gives you control of how your category blog page that you're creating the menu for, how it's going to look, how many content items it's going to draw in, how many articles, and like if you wanted more, you could change this. If you wanted less, you could change that. Again, you've got some other options here that you can simply just hold your cursor. Again, you can override the global parameter setting here, but it's all explained when you just hold your cursor over any of these options here. But the most important when you're creating a category blog menu item is to select the category and to decide how you want it laid out. And you can experiment with that. You can set it to 1 column and see how the page looks, but it's all controlled right here when you create the menu item. So we'll continue with one more screencast on the menus in the next one. So talk to you in a few minutes. Bye.